Hi, this is Deb Sinkus. This video is about the CRO Flow dashboards and the idea submission form. So the dashboards that come with CRO Flow are native Monday dashboards, meaning you can do whatever you like to them. They're not custom. You're not going to break anything if you want to change them around. But what we wanted to do was give you a set of dashboards so that you can be up and running fast. There's no solution that is an entire solution unless it has dashboards and a way to measure how you're doing. So we have a research dashboard. It gives you some batteries up here at the top, gives you some information here about the different types of research that you're doing and how things stand, a little bit about time tracking, how much time you're spending on different types of research, updates, your workload, and a few other things like that. Your timeline. We have one as well for ideas, extremely similar, pretty much the same thing. Experiments. This one's a little different. This one comes with a win-loss information, revenue impacts, what kind of devices are you testing, and what's your experiment velocity been like, and of course, timeline, things like that. Gantt chart version of the timeline. Then there's a program management dashboard. There we go. So program overview, there you go, and the program calendar and time tracking. And then we have Llama Research, which hooks up to the research board, and experimental llamas. We don't have any llamas this week for this one, but experimental, oh, there we go. We do have a llama. So experimental llamas is experiments. You know, this is a particular experiment, right? So, and then here's some time tracking information. The area that we call triage is all of the related boards, research tracker, idea tracker, etc., but just the upper top groups, the new incoming stuff. So it's kind of your triage area. And then you have the timelines and the Gantt view and workload view. And well, we put in this little thing we call the team water cooler, right? Any upcoming birthdays? Let's maybe announce to everybody we have a team dinner tonight, that sort of thing. Then we have program stats. This is more some metrics. Again, you do have a little bit of redundancy with some of the other ones, but not exactly. So we have overall program velocity, like how busy is everybody? What are we getting done? How many new items are we adding in all the areas of research and hypothesis and everything else? Wins and losses, time spent by the idea priority. Are we spending our time in the right places? And then, as I mentioned, revenue impacts, and then also research and ideas by page type. We have page type in virtually every single board, I believe. So this lets you really see what parts of your website are you spending all of your time on for research and things like that. And so this is like active. What are we actively working on versus all time? Like what have we historically worked on? And then we just have a program tag word cloud because we wanted to be able to pull in out of all the stuff that's going on across our, project, what are people talking about, right? What are the words that are the biggest and what's going on with those? And then as a little bonus, we put in a CRO Flow support dashboard. So this dashboard is your quick and easy way to get help for CRO Flow. So we have links here to our CRO Flow documentation. So if I click that, you're going to go straight into that part of the documentation over on CRO Flow. In our wiki. We have whatever will be our latest video will be highlighted here. And then we're going to have some featured videos down here for different parts of the system and our Twitter stream. And now I want to talk to you and take just a moment to show you the form. We provide you again, native Monday submission form, but it's again to keep you getting going quickly, right? You want to get moving right away with CRO Flow. You don't have to take the time to set these things up. So we have a nice idea submission form here for you, already set up and configured. All right, so that's the dashboards and the idea submission form for CRO Flow.